Hey guys, on today's video we're gonna be setting up this headset right here, which is very easy to set up. So let me just go over a few things first. So you guys can move this around, okay? So you can make adjustments like so. You can do adjustments like so as well. So this is for your volume, for example. To sync it up, we're gonna have to hold on to this right here. Let me just do a close-up. To sync it up, we will have to hold on to this. And then on our Xbox, we're gonna hold on to the syncing button, and that's about it. It's gonna sync up extremely easy. Other than that, we do have this to mute our mic. And then on the other side, this is where we charge. In order to charge our headset, all we have to do is get the cable that came with. So this is the cable that it came with, and it's a USB-C to USB. On the right side, you will notice this port right here. So on this port, that's where we have to go and plug this in. Once we plug that in, we can just plug this to our Xbox and then charge it up that way. You can also charge it up by plugging it to your computer, for example. And in some cases, your TV will work just fine. Anyways, right now we're gonna go to our Xbox and sync this up. Alright, so here's our Xbox, and you do need your Xbox to be turned on, by the way. So it is on right here, I can see it's on. So we're just gonna hold on to the button for 4 seconds. Once this starts blinking very rapidly on our Xbox, we're gonna have to press this. That's to sync. We should see our Xbox like so. And it should be making that noise, which is perfect. At this point in time, it stopped blinking, both of them. So it's a steady light, which means they have officially been synced. So that's our Xbox. Here's this guy. I know it's powered on because I see some lights. I also see a light right here. So once again, this is my Xbox. Here's my headset. I do have steady lights, so that means it's all synced up. You might also notice something like this on your screen, that your headset needs an update. So just go ahead with your controller, press on update headset. It's gonna update right now. So it will update your headset as soon as you sync it up. That's gonna be automatic. You don't really need to go into settings and look for an update. And that's it. That's all you guys have to do for this setup. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.